Welcome to the best pick. The best beard oil is probably one of the most essential grooming products a man can add to his daily routine, especially if he's looking to achieve that fuller, healthier, and more manageable beard he's always desired. This isn't just about making your beard look good, it's about nourishing the skin underneath, preventing itchiness and dryness, and promoting optimal conditions for beard growth, ensuring every strand is strong and vibrant from root to tip. Number 5. 10-in-1 Men's Beard Grooming Kit. Introducing the complete 10-in-1 beard kit, designed for all your grooming needs. It includes everything you need to keep your beard looking its best, all in one convenient package. Experience premium quality at an unbeatable value. This kit is perfect for anyone looking to achieve a fuller, healthier beard without breaking the bank. Choose from 3 natural scents of beard oil and a soothing balm, all formulated with nourishing ingredients like argan oil and jojoba oil. They hydrate, soften, and add shine to your beard. Keep your beard clean and conditioned with our specially formulated wash. It gently cleans without stripping natural oils, leaving both your beard and skin hydrated and irritation-free. Shape and tame your beard with ease using the included boar bristle brush, styling comb, and precision scissors. These tools make beard maintenance effortless. Looking for the ideal gift? This comprehensive beard care set is perfect for any occasion, from birthdays to holidays. It's a thoughtful present for any man in your life. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers everything you need for beard care. It includes multiple scent options for your beard oil and all the essential grooming tools. If you're looking for a complete, hassle-free solution for beard maintenance and styling, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Everything feels high quality. The wash cleans without drying, the oils absorb fast and aren't greasy, and the balm helps keep my beard neat. The brush and comb are solid too. After a few days, my beard feels softer, looks healthier, and is much easier to manage. The wash doesn't dry the hair, the oils smell great without being too strong, and the balm gives a natural look, not greasy at all. The scissors and brush are solid, not cheap plastic like most sets. The oils absorb fast and aren't greasy, and the balm helps keep my beard neat. The brush and comb are solid too. After a few days, my beard feels softer, looks healthier, and is much easier to manage. Number 4. The Beard Club Biotin Beard Growth Vitamin Gummies. Unlock your beard's potential with our powerful multivitamin gummies. Formulated with essential vitamins, they support your beard and hair growth from within. Each serving is loaded with high-potency biotin and key vitamins. These ingredients work together to promote healthier hair and beard growth. Experience a holistic improvement in your appearance. These gummies not only support your beard but also contribute to the health of your skin and nails. Say goodbye to unpleasant pills. Enjoy the delicious natural strawberry flavor of our easy-to-take gummies. We use only the purest, highest quality ingredients in our proprietary blend. Give your beard the essential vitamins and nutrients it needs to thrive. What we like. These gummies are packed with essential vitamins like biotin to support beard growth from within. They offer a delicious strawberry flavor, making your supplement routine enjoyable. If you prefer an easy-to-take, internal approach to enhancing your beard's thickness and fullness, these are ideal. What people say. This beard oil is fantastic. It really helps to soften and tame my beard, making it much more manageable. I've noticed a significant improvement in beard growth since I started using this oil. It seems to fill in patchy areas and make my beard look fuller. The scent is subtle and pleasant, not overpowering at all. It also absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. Number 3. Beard Club Premium Beard Growth Kit. Introducing the Beard Club Premium Beard Growth Kit. This all-in-one set is designed to help you achieve your ultimate beard goals. Our potent growth oil works to strengthen hair roots and thicken strands. It also soothes the skin, eliminating itchiness for a more comfortable experience. Packed with over 20 essential vitamins, including biotin and B12, these vitamins support healthy facial hair growth. They also aid in promoting healthy testosterone production. The nutrient-rich spray nourishes and hydrates your beard and mustache. It strengthens, moisturizes, softens, and refreshes for a healthier look and feel. Our boar bristle brush, crafted from durable birchwood, combs and detangles your beard. It evenly distributes the oil, promoting healthy growth and a well-groomed appearance. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This kit makes a perfect anniversary, birthday, Valentine's Day, or Father's Day present for the special man in your life. What we like. This set combines growth oil, vitamins, and a nourishing spray to support your beard's journey. The included boar bristle brush helps distribute products evenly for optimal results. If you're seeking a multifaceted approach to stimulate beard growth and ensure healthy facial hair, this kit provides a great starting point. What people say. Fantastic, works great, beard much fuller in 2 weeks. The beard oil definitely helps existing growth, and combined with the vitamin spray my beard was getting longer faster and felt much healthier. Beard growth oil, absorbs quickly, doesn't feel greasy, and my beard is much softer and healthier. Number 2. The Beard Club Enhanced Beard Growth Kit. Introducing the Beard Club Enhanced Beard Growth Kit, your all-in-one solution for a fuller, healthier beard. This comprehensive set is designed to help you achieve your best look. Our kit features a derma roller with 540 titanium-coated needles. It's designed for optimal performance to refresh your face, scalp, and skin, promoting better growth. Experience the power of our natural blend of castor, cedar, and avocado oils. This growth oil soothes itchiness while softening your skin for maximum comfort. Master your beard style with our sandalwood beard balm. It not only shapes and smooths your beard with a non-greasy finish but also hydrates both your beard and the skin beneath. Tie knots and style your beard and mustache effortlessly with our ergonomic wooden comb. It detangles without static, making grooming simple and travel-friendly. Looking for a great gift? This kit is ideal for anniversaries, birthdays, Valentine's Day, or holidays. Surprise the man in your life with the ultimate beard care experience. What we like. This kit features a derma roller designed to enhance absorption and stimulate growth, alongside dual beard growth oils. It also includes a sandalwood balm for styling and hydration. If you're looking for advanced tools to boost beard growth and achieve a well-groomed appearance, this set offers a unique combination. What people say. Fantastic, works great, beard much fuller in 2 weeks. The beard oil definitely helps existing growth, and combined with the vitamin spray my beard was getting longer faster and felt much healthier. Beard growth oil, absorbs quickly, doesn't feel greasy, and my beard is much softer and healthier. Number 1. Everyman Jack Beard Essentials Gift Set. Introducing the complete beard care set designed for you. It provides everything you need for a thorough and effective grooming routine. Begin by cleansing your beard and the skin beneath with our specially formulated wash. It effectively removes excess oil and buildup for a fresh start. Next, treat your skin and beard with our recovery lotion. Then, hydrate and soften with our beard butter and oil, tackling itchiness and dryness. Experience a sophisticated, masculine scent. It's a blend of sandalwood and vetiver, with subtle hints of mandarin for a complex aroma. We use high-quality, plant-based ingredients like shea butter and aloe vera. You can trust that our products are free from parabens, phthalates, and dyes, and are never tested on animals. Our products are specifically formulated to cleanse, hydrate, and soften your facial hair. They help reduce itchiness, flakes, and skin irritation for a comfortable feel. Proudly made in the USA with sustainably minded packaging. We are committed to ethical production and animal welfare. What we like. This set provides a full 5-step beard care routine, from cleansing to moisturizing, all with a masculine sandalwood scent. It's formulated with high-quality, plant-based ingredients and is free from harsh chemicals. If you prioritize a natural, effective, and comprehensive daily beard care regimen, this is a perfect fit. What people say. The sandalwood scent is clean and manly without being overpowering, which makes it great for everyday wear. The oils and balms actually soften coarse beard hair, reduce itch, and leave the beard looking healthier and more manageable. Packaging feels premium and the pump bottles are easy to use, no mess, no waste. It has a good scent, easy to use in the shower, scent lasts the entire day. My beard seems to have improved in softness after 2 uses. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.